My name is John Paul O'Leary. I'm the Systems Operations Team Leader here in Laya Healthcare. Laya Healthcare is the second largest private medical insurance company in Ireland. We're very proud to look after over 580,000 members. We have offices both in Cork and Dublin, and we have 500 members in total working between both those offices. In 2015, we were acquired by AIG, one of the largest insurance companies in the world. Protecting our members' data and safeguarding the data is of critical importance to us. The audit area and GDPR were the main areas of concern. As you're aware, GDPR has come into effect and all organisations, including Laya Healthcare, have to conform to this new standard. Privileged team members did have tools to automate their workflows, but they weren't easy to use, they were clunky and they were time-consuming. Safeguard has really helped us become compliant around access to our critical systems, which hold a lot of our very important customer data. It saved us a lot of time. It's really easy to use and it addresses our audit requirements, particularly around privileged access management. Sometimes when you introduce new security measures, it could potentially have a disruptive impact on privileged users, but with Safeguard, it has been completely non-disruptive. Also, the feature around session management has really benefited us now that we can monitor and review team members who have privileged access. The implementation of Safeguard was a lot quicker than I anticipated. Having the secure hardened appliance made it much easier to install. Our privileged account holders really like the favorites feature. It enables the privileged users to get the passwords they require with one click, but in addition, it gives me the assurance that we are securing our sensitive data. The appliance gets delivered pre-hardened. That makes implementation much easier and much more efficient. In addition, the patching and upgrading process has been simplified with this approach and also is going to save us a lot of time in the future with ongoing maintenance. It has really simplified our auditing requirements and also our audit reporting and completely streamlined the whole process, to be honest. The total cost of ownership was very easy to understand with Safeguard, as it's a turnkey solution with a secure hardened appliance approach. One Identity Services really ensured success with this product with their consultancy-led approach, and also the plan that they set out was very clear of what was going to be undertaken. So with the ongoing cyber threatscape that's out there, also the GDPR requirements, it's critically important that we have a system that manages our privileged access accounts. The overall experience with One Identity has been an extremely positive one. The Safeguard solution has really addressed and met all our privileged access management requirements. And I'm really looking forward to working with One Identity into the future.